Hi everyone, and welcome to this Blender tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a ball sliding down a spiral tray using Blender's physics system. Let's get started. Begin by deleting the default cube to clear the scene. Now, open the Add menu, go to Mesh and add a circle. Switch to Edit mode. Select a few vertices and press X to delete them. This creates an opening in the circle. You can delete additional vertices to widen the gap if needed. Switch back to Object mode. In the Object Properties panel, move the circle 4 units along the X-axis, then rotate it 90 degrees on the X-axis so it's standing vertically. Press Ctrl+A and apply all transforms to reset its rotation and position. Next, go to the Modifiers tab and add a screw modifier from the Generate section. Set the screw value to 2.2 and increase the iterations to 5 to form the spiral shape. Add a subdivision surface modifier to smooth the mesh and set the viewport level to 2. Then add a solidify modifier to give the spiral some thickness. Set the thickness to 0.15. Apply the screw subdivision surface and solidify modifiers. Right-click the spiral and choose Shade Smooth for a cleaner look. Now let's model the ball. Go to the Add menu, select Mesh, and add a UV sphere. Right-click the sphere and choose Shade Smooth. Move the ball to the starting point of the spiral, the top edge where it will begin rolling. Select the spiral tray again. Go to the Object menu and choose Convert Mesh to finalize its geometry. Next, we'll set up the physics simulation. With the spiral selected, go to the Physics Properties tab and enable Rigid Body. Change its type to Passive so it stays stationary, and set the collision shape to Mesh for accurate collision detection. Now select the ball. Enable Rigid Body. Leave the type as Active and set the mass to 4 kilograms. Change the collision shape to Sphere for smooth rolling. And press play. If your animation stops too early, extend the timeline. Let's prepare the animation timeline. Set the end frame in the timeline editor to 2000. Go to the Output Properties tab and make sure the frame range end is also set to 2000. Then go to the Scene Properties tab. Expand Rigid Body World, and under the Cache section, change the simulation end frame to 2000. Go back to the start of the timeline and press play. The ball should now roll smoothly down the spiral using Blender's physics simulation. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blender content.